Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram quiz sticker and story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to pick a random photo from my gallery. Okay, for example, this one, and then we can go to the sticker menu to get some stickers from Instagram. And as you can see guys, unfortunately there is no quiz sticker here. I think the Instagram already removed the quiz sticker, but don't worry because we can still use the alternative. If we don't have the quiz sticker here, we can use poll. We can go to the poll menu and we can ask a question to our followers using this poll sticker. For example, I'm just going to type in this question. Guess where it is. Okay, then you can add the answers. Okay, I'm just going to type in random answer. Wait. Okay, if you want to add another option, just click on this menu and you can change the color of the sticker. You can tap on the color to change it. Okay, I'm just going to choose this black color and then click on done. Okay, and now the question has been created guys, and then we can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, I'm just going to make it smaller and I'm going to place it here. Okay, now it's done, and then we can continue the editing. We can add another sticker or maybe filter or effect or music, and for me I'm just going to add music here. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose music only. Okay, and once we're ready to share this Instagram story with quiz, we can click on your story. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Instagram quiz sticker and story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.